Okay. Debidatta Surya Prakash, hello. And Subhashri Nayak, Subham Swai. जाग चुके हैं सुबह स्मिता. ओके. अभी कुछ टाइम के लिए तुम फ्रीली इंटरेक्ट कर सकते हो. सो यू मे अनम्यूट बट आगे को म्यूट करना होगा. सो
गुड मॉर्निंग.
गुड मॉर्निंग. लास्ट याद है हम मिले थे 2 अभियान को. भूल गए.
भाई
ओके. सो चलो विंटर तो एंड होने को आ रहा है. अब एक्टिव बन जाओ. कि क्लब में आकर फिर एक्टिव ही होना है. ओके. यहाँ पर कुछ नेम्स है नोन. सो अगेन सब कहाँ से हो. भुवनेश्वर वाले छोड़कर बताना. ठीक है.
सर मैं नयागढ़ से.
ओहो मेरा गांव है वो. कहाँ से हो.
आपका नयागढ़ बड़ोगा.
हाँ. अच्छा नाइस नाइस. वेरी गुड वेरी गुड.
आपका
गाँव
कहाँ
जाएंगे मिलकर. ठीक है.
पर? बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. आपका कहाँ पर?
नयागढ़ से पहले मानिका घोड़ा एक आता है. ठीक है वहां पर.
हाँ हाँ हाँ.
ओके.
आगे मिलते
बलांगीर.
सर बरहमपुर से.
ओके वेरी गुड. अच्छा तुम्हारे भाई बरहमपुर में सिटी में बहुत हैं तो जमेगा अच्छे से.
थैंक यू भैया.
ओके. जगत सिंह
भैया
तो जाजपुर से. जाजपुर कौन है. जाजपुर कौन है. होल्ड. आजा आजा वापस वापस आ जाजपुर.
भैया मैं
ओके कुछ बात बोलो यार. जाजपुर का बात बहुत फेमस है.
मतलब कौन से एंगल से.
अच्छा आई मीन जैसे कि कहते हैं ना. आई मीन जाजपुरिया पवन. इफ यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट आई मीन.
तो मतलब ज्यादा ओवर स्मार्ट चालक उससे बोलते हैं थोड़ा थोड़ा.
अच्छा. ओके गुड गुड. कॉलेज में हम मिलते हैं फिर. सो यस कैसे चल रहा है ऑनलाइन. इंडक्शन वगैरह सब हो रहा है. बहुत जन लास्ट टाइम पूछे थे कॉलेज में कितने क्लब्स हैं. और आई थिंक आप लोग काउंटिंग कर चुके रहोगे. और बहुत जन पूछ रहे थे कल्चरल क्लब्स के बारे में. सो आपको पता चल गया होगा. एंड और क्या. हम बस और थोड़ा देर वेट करेंगे फिर हम विल स्टार्ट विद द सेशन. सो एनीवन हु कैन से कितने क्लब्स हैं और नंबर ऑफ क्लब्स एंड क्या नाम है उनके. एनीवन. कोई नहीं. Let's see the chat box. Okay, we will be beginning with our session soon. So again, दिल थाम कर बैठो.
Hello everyone, all the seniors present over here, my batchmates and freshers. This is Priyanka, member of Spectrum Club. Okay, so before we start the session, I would like to interact with you all, and it will be really better if instead of turning on the mic, you use the chat box to reply, right? You know, right? If all of us will be turning on the mic at the same time, then a lot of disturbance will be created. So you just use the chat box. Okay, so you all tell me how you all are doing. I hope this chilly cold weather isn't dampening your warm spirits, right? Or is it? Okay, guys, I'm waiting for your replies. Okay, we have reply from Bhavani Shankar. Okay, great, ma'am. Sohan Sinabati. No. Okay, that means you are all spirited up. Okay, you all are doing good. Nice to hear that. And even if this chilly cold weather is bothering you, I guarantee you that by the end of the session, you will be spirited up. So much replies. Okay. So tell me, are you all enjoying your college life? College life enjoy कर रहे हो या नहीं? Anyone? No. Yes. No. अब तक तो नहीं. Yes. Okay. Virtually. अच्छा. पता है.
दीदी ऑनलाइन में कितना एंजॉय करेंगे?
हाँ वो तो है. Okay. But it will be really better if you use the chat box, right? Okay. ऑनलाइन में एंजॉय करना डिफिकल्ट है. इंडक्शंस ऑनलाइन हो रहे हैं, ऑनलाइन क्लासेस हो रहा है. डिफिकल्ट है, पता है. बट ट्रस्ट मी, वंस यू आर इनटू द क्लब, this upcoming journey of 4 years is going to be super exciting, right? Okay, so you are going to start a new phase of your life, and you're going to start your college life. So what do you all think college life is about? What do you think college life is about? कुछ तो सोचा होगा ना? Like basically कुछ भी rough idea. College means to explore yourself. Oh, that's great, really. Hostel, cool. Our first year is already wasted. ऐसा नहीं है यार. Club join करो. You will. I mean, you still have a lot of time. थोड़ा चला गया तो क्या है? College is learning, पढ़ाई plus enjoying. That's really cool. Memory, struggle, experience. Oh, cool, nice. You all are like, I think you all are really correct about that. College is about fun plus learning. So let me tell you, college is not just about learning technical things or learning the things mentioned in your textbook. The knowledge you get in college is priceless. It is neither limited to the branch subject you will be reading, nor to the job you will be getting after 4 years. It's a life beyond that, because it is the time when you develop yourself as a person, you build your character, you build your personality. It is the time when the development of your emotional quotient goes hand in hand with intelligent quotient. So I must say, the upcoming 4 years, ये जो आगे के 4 साल हैं, it is not your duty, rather it's a golden opportunity to make the most of it. And we are really lucky enough that our college, to help us accomplish this goal of holistic development, provides with varieties of clubs. I guess maximum clubs के inductions तो अभी तक खत्म हो ही गए होंगे, तुम्हें पता भी चल गया होगा. Our college is providing us with variety of clubs, right? Okay. So, and as you all know, Spectrum is the technical club of our college. A place for all the technical enthusiasts to come together so that they can innovate things, learn new things, and grow together. And you must be wondering, right? Technical club hai, pata hai, but why did we specifically choose the word spectrum, right? Okay, are you all wondering or not? Spectrum, do you want to know the reason why we named our club as Spectrum? Okay, yes, we have reply from Siddharth Mohanty. Yes, ma'am, wondering. Okay. So we have studied in physics, I guess, in class 8, perhaps, that if there is a prism and a white light is made to pass through it, we will be observing a band of colors. And that is the characteristic colors of visible light. And that band of colors is something which is called as spectrum. Similar manner, we the students CTR skill, like you all have some hidden talents, right? So our club Spectrum acts just as the prism to help us recognize those skills and strengthen it. So here we are, the Spectrum Club, the technical club of CTB, welcoming you all to its induction ceremony. So we can have the video now, please.
Alexa, it's magical.
Welcome to Hogwarts.
Hey Google, turn on Diwali lights.
Lights turned on.
Whoa, that was really cool, right? I'm getting goosebumps. All thanks to our design wing of the club. Oh, I mean, this is really awesome. I'm still getting goosebumps, and I hope you all must have got a trailer of what you all are going to witness next. Excited, aren't you all? Are you all excited or not? Tell me. I want to know. Okay, I'm waiting for. Okay, yes. Okay, yes. Is anyone telling something? Okay, don't call me ma'am. Didi will be all right. Okay, so without wasting any more time, I think we should tighten our seat belt and begin this roller coaster ride. Are you guys ready? Let's begin. So let's begin this roller coaster ride as I hand over the proceedings to Satvik. Over to Satvik.
So good morning, guys. How are you all doing? I didn't response that I'm audible. The voice chat.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it's nice. तो कैसा लगा वीडियो कैसा लगा? Yeah, yes, response is coming. Nice. और लाइक कैसे चल रहे हैं पास्ट फ्यू वीक्स? आप लोग वीडियो डाल रहे हो, कंपटीशन में पार्ट ले रहे हो, इंस्टाग्राम पे, लिंक्डइन पे, लाइक्स बढ़ रहे हैं आपके, फॉलोअर्स बढ़ गए, लाइक लिंक्डइन प्रोफाइल बूस्ट हो गया है। अगर नहीं भी हुआ है तो हम लोग कर लेंगे, उसकी कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, क्योंकि आज यू जॉइन द क्लब यू विल एक्सप्लोर मोर अबाउट लिंक्डइन एंड अदर स्टफ। तो पोर्टफोलियो तो बन ही जाएगा एट द एंड ऑफ 4 years, डोंट वरी अबाउट दैट। सो ठीक है गाइस, हेलो न्यू बेस, आई एम सात्विक, a core member of Spectrum. But before we know more about Spectrum, there are a few aspects as the club members we wish you should know before you join Spectrum. So like Spectrum was initially a very small group and which was more of electronics oriented. But now it has come a very long road. And now it's a bigger family. Yes, हम लोग अपने आप like members को family बुलाते हैं because we are a family. And we deal with a variety of stuff. It's no more such as an electronic stereotype. एंड जब मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि वैरायटी ऑफ स्टफ है, आई रियली मीन इट, बिकॉज हम आगे आप जब भी वो विटनेस करने वाले हो जो चीज है, बिकॉज इट्स गोइंग टू बी प्लेथोरा ऑफ स्टफ, लाइक कुछ सेम स्टफ नहीं होने वाला है, बट आई वोंट रिवील व्हाट दिस स्टफ्स आर गोइंग टू बी एंड व्हाट आर दिस थिंग्स दैट वी आर गोइंग टू विटनेस, बिकॉज आई एम मोर ऑफ जो रूसो टाइप, एंड इफ यू डोंट नो हु जो रूसो इज, प्लीज गूगल इट, because there is a whole lot of MCU reference coming in the way. And आपको MCU का like पूरा whole total presentation और spectrum में मिल ही जाएगा because we love Marvel. Now, before getting to know about Spectrum more, let's know how it started because history is very important, right? So to begin with the history part, like the club was very established at the very beginning by the Mr. Bikram Kesari Panda in 2015 batch. His idea was like to establish a vision for electronic society, but we have broke that stereotype now. Which started with a very small group of people, but like now, and बहुत अच्छा देव, like we have built whole lot of people. Like we started from Iron Man, and now we have the whole Marvel Cinematic Universe with us. Now, actually, as we have started from the electronic society, there is a whole lot of things that people say like we are limited to hardware, but that's not true. And we are going to break the stereotype. We have to wait for it because I have said I'm because of Joe Russo type, and we have to wait for the suspense to be broken. Now, as Bikram Kesari Bhaiya put his whole lot of sweat and blood to make this club stand out in whole city, तो like इसका वर्क कल्चर और सब कुछ अच्छा तो होना ही था क्योंकि जब शुरुआत सही हो तब सब कुछ सही होना ही है. Now you will see the work culture slide. इसमें 4 points है: vision with execution, teamwork, improvement of knowledge, and interaction with seniors. I won't go into deep of any of this point because what all this conclude is that आपके पास एक idea है, you come to us in the club, you learn from us, we learn from you. It is a collateral learning process. There is a guidance from us. Then we work on the project together and we serve a project that is betterment for the whole mankind. Next, we have the wings of club. There are 3 wings of club: hardware, software, and design. From hardware, I don't mean only robotics. It's all of hardware, like starting from AI to PCBs to machine learning and everything. But I won't reveal all of this because I'm more of Joe Russo type. I will continue this statement. Suspense to rahega because you are in the Marvel Cinematic Universe. Now, about the software wing, इसके बारे में suspense रहने दो because it is one of the most interesting wing of the club that has done magic in this lockdown. And about design wing, it is the newest member of wing of the club, but it's the most creative stuff that we'll ever witness in life. Next, we'll move to the executive board of our club. We have Soumya Bhaiya, the convener, Pritesh Bhaiya, the coordinator, and Sanjana Didi, the alumni representative. Then we have Suchasmita Didi, the external affair representative, and our hardware lead Deepak Bhaiya and software lead Subhampreet Bhaiya, and our beloved Shishit Bhaiya, the design lead. With this, I would like to say that like it's not what we are showing you, it's that what we have achieved in the past, and we have shown everybody that we are capable of doing it. Because the achievement says it all. Our achievement says from E-Yantra to Smart India Hackathon, Texas Instrument, International Science Festival, and nevertheless the Sankalp Semiconductors competition. But not only this, we have more achievements in our names, like Blues 2018, Nav Ujjwal Challenge, Hack with Infi, Tata Steel Omen meeting, and Facebook Hacker Club that recently happened, and we'll know more about it as we go through the day. But like it's not about the achievements we have done, because our alumni base is so big and vast, and most of our alumni are placed in such multinational companies and doing research in various parts of this world, that you'll be excited to know that they're sharing their experience with us with a session that is organized every weekend. Like session hota hai, and it's not like a very formal session that alumni come and give that talk. It's like a chit chat with alumni, and I mean with that, because you are going to be part of it very soon. जब like alumni आएंगे, वो अपने experience बताएंगे, because you know these alumni are really priceless for us because they're placed in such huge companies from Nalco, TCS, Cisco, Accenture, Bosch, Asian Paints, Wesco, Deloitte, Analog Devices, Honeywell, and many more. Like उनका placement और उनके achievements के बारे में हम list करने जाएंगे, we will have to make a whole PPT for that sole purpose only. But like अब जब बोल दिया कि achievements कर लिए, but like club actually करता क्या है? Because club needs to do something so that you are interested to join. Yeah. So we organize events. That's a very interesting event. Like webinars very frequently होते रहते हैं club में. I don't have to go in detail with this because as you are part of CET, you are in CET family, and you will know a knowing spectrum. So like आपको webinar दिखते रहेंगे. Like frequently आपको webinar आते जाते रहेंगे. Like from simple topics like circuit, VLSI, embedded system, some. उसके अलावा लाइक एक किक स्टार्ट से मतलब सेशंस होते हैं जब तुम ज्वाइन करते हो क्लब को, ताकि यू हैव ए फंडामेंटल स्ट्रॉन्ग, बिकॉज यू नो फंडामेंटल्स आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर मेकिंग अ बिल्डिंग स्ट्रॉन्ग. So that is how we start our club. And apart from that, in the recent phase that happened in 2019 February, we have a 2 events known as Robo Shocker and EOB Killer. But guys, like आप सबको लगता होगा कि लॉकडाउन में सब कुछ शांत हो गया था and everybody was kind. It was like nearly right because सब कुछ शांत हो चुके थे. Everybody was clearly in a dull mood. But Spectrum wasn't. Spectrum was working hard to give its member a quality experience throughout this lockdown. Because we have organized all these events, like you can see, chit chat sessions, as I have explained earlier. But apart from that, the Spectrum internship drive. इन लोग को लगता है कि like internship drive is a small internship. No, you're wrong. ये like perception change कर दो because it was a huge internship. Like second, third, fourth year के बच्चे पूरा involved थे. Like पूरे starting से 5 week का task हुआ, 5 week का task हुआ, उनको tasks हुए, उनके certificates मिले, उनके data analyze हुए, उनको 100 task assign हुए थे, जिनके marks मिले. And they got certified from the college too. उसके अलावा Hacktoberfest, yes, you heard it right. Hacktoberfest, the biggest open source event all over the world. And most of us, nearly all of us got a t-shirt from it because we have completed a full pull request. और like तुम लोग भी जब ज्वाइन करोगे ना क्लब या फिर जो हमारे साथ काम करोगे ना, you will get to know that how all this happened because like Hacktoberfest में बहुत मजा आने वाला है. या लाइक चैट इज टू साइलेंट है, कोई रिस्पॉन्स नहीं कर रहा है, मतलब बोरिंग लग रहा है क्या ये पार्ट पूरा? ठीक है, कंटिन्यू कर ही लेते लाइक ओके फाइन लाइक ये कुछ आखिरी के स्लाइड्स है एंड लाइक हमारे एलियंस के बारे में बात कर लेते हैं बिकॉज एलियंस इज इम्पोर्टेंट बिकॉज उनके वजह से हम एग्जिस्ट करते हैं लाइक. So the first alliance will be Girl Script. Like Girl Script का नाम stereotype मत करना. Like Girl Script है इसलिए yes नहीं है कि girl को specified है. It is one of the fastest growing tech community all over the India, and it organizes awesome workshops and gives awesome courses. Like आप इस पे course करोगे, you will get the fundamentals really clear. And apart from that, they organize summer of code. Like तुमने सुना होगा GSOC होता है like Google Summer of Code. Similarly, like Girl Script का भी Summer of Code होता है. Any prerequisite for getting into the club? नहीं, बिल्कुल ब्रांच स्पेसिफिक नहीं है. आई हैव टोल्ड यू लाइक वो सस्पेंस रहने देते हैं कि ब्रांच स्पेसिफिक है. आपको लग रहा है अगर इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स में ब्रांच स्पेसिफिक है तो सस्पेंस रहने देते हैं, क्योंकि आप जब आगे देखेंगे आपको ये परसेप्शन बिल्कुल चेंज हो जाएगी. ये क्लब ब्रांच स्पेसिफिक बिल्कुल भी नहीं. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट वी हैव Mozilla. Yes, you heard it right. The Mozilla is in alliance with us. We have a call as Mozilla Club, and you will because frequently speakers आते हैं. Thanks to Abhishek Bhai and other members who have worked hard for bringing Mozilla with us. And the speakers come frequently, like from Red Hat, from Mozilla, and give session on like very interesting topics. You will know more about Git and GitHub and other stuff. And even they made our Hacktoberfest better because of Mozilla. So let's go to the next slide, please. Okay, Windows screen. Why is it here? Swapnil Bhai, Nero. Enough of boring content, so that fun event. Yeah, you will. अरे यार ओके हाँ खत्म हो गया भाई, खत्म हो गया. फन इवेंट पे टेक्निकल ठीक है, तुम लोग जेल के आए हो, तुम्हारा दुख समझ सकते हैं हम, तुम्हें कितना मुश्किल हो रही होगी अभी लाइक ये बोरिंग कंटेंट सुनने के लिए. बट ये कुछ भी लाइक जानना तो चाहिए लाइक क्लब के बारे में, ताकि तुम क्लब को अंदर से ज्यादा समझ सको. लाइक बहुत हो चुका है ये बोरिंग कंटेंट. नाउ विल मूव टू द फन इवेंट पार्ट. बट बिफोर यू मूव टू द फन इवेंट गाइस, कोरोना अभी तक गया नहीं है. Wash your hands, be hydrated, don't let jumps get you down because जब तक दवाई नहीं तब तक ढिलाई नहीं. With this, I would like to hand over the stage to Abrar Ahmed Khan so that he could coordinate the fun event smoothly.
Hello, good morning again. अब हम फिर से मिले आपसे. Someone is having the mic on, so you can just turn it off. And let's move on to fun event. And why again, first of all let me answer और let me point it out कि सब क्लब ने अपना टेक्निकल क्विजेस किए या कोई टेक्निकल रिलेटेड किया है, लेकिन हमने यहाँ फन इवेंट क्यों रखा? ऐसा इवेंट में ऐसा क्या खास है? वेल, हमारे लिए अभी तुम न्यूबीज हो, दिमाग के अकल के कच्चे थोड़े हो, सो तुम्हें टेक्नोलॉजी के बारे में हम एवरेजली बोलेंगे तो ना इतना अच्छा नहीं होगा। सो हमने सोचा कि चलो क्यों ना तुम्हें एक कुछ ऐसा चीज टेस्ट पे डालें जो कि तुम्हारे फुल 4 years एंड बियॉन्ड यूज है। वो होता है आपका रीजनिंग स्किल एंड गूगलिंग पावर। सो यस, today's fun event is a glitch in the matrix instruction. Let me read to you. Presenting you a fact statement which are true almost. There is a slight mistake in the fact. A glitch. That's what a glitch is. A mistake in this fact. Identify the loophole or mistake in the fact and write it down in the Google Doc. The link will be there on the respective slide and also in the chat box. The mistake can be a word, a sentence, a slight play of words, anything except a grammatical mistake, of course. Grammar Nazis, yes, I have to control yourself. And yes, a special mention to someone in the Animesh Nayak in the chat wrote that you are ready inside the blanket. Well, ये fun event रज़ाई के अंदर नहीं होने वाला. So just you have to make yourself ready, change your tab and make your Googling power ready. So we shall begin with the first question. Well, yes, before that, I want you to be get accustomed with what you are going to deal with. This is what your first sample statement. Archimedes tensed about the situation the king put him on, decided to take a bath to cool his mind. Just as he entered the water, the radio announced the sinking of minister's ship, and Archimedes shouted, "Eureka, Eureka," after being hit with the concept of buoyancy. क्या गलत है इसमें? You can write it in the chat first. Okay, good. We have the answers. Well, of course, इस पे position लाने पे कोई फायदा नहीं है. This question was just for you to get accustomed और familiar होने के लिए कि कोई आगे statement कैसे आने वाले हैं और तुम्हें answers कैसे देने हैं. Well, आगे के answer chat box पे नहीं देना. Okay, I'm warning you. आगे वाले answers chat box पे बिल्कुल नहीं. और गूगल फॉर्म पे सबमिट करना, वहां पर तुम्हें अपना नेम और ईमेल आईडी देना है, उसके साथ आंसर सबमिट करना है. वार्निंग, चैट पे आंसर नहीं जाएगा, ठीक है? सो आर यू एक्साइटेड एनफ? सो जस्ट टेक ऑन योर पीसी, लैपटॉप और व्हाटएवर मोबाइल, डिफरेंट टैब एंड गेट रेडी विद द फन इवेंट. लेट अस बिगिन विद स्टेटमेंट 1. करेंसी ग्लिच. Buying $100 worth of the coin in 2004 would have current value of 207 crores. Question को दोबारा. Buying $100 worth of the coin in 2004 would have current value of 207 crores. किसके पास इतने पैसे हैं आज? 207 करोड़. ओके, फॉर्म का लिंक आपके चैट बॉक्स पे है. सो आपको अपना मैं ये वहां मॉनिटर कर रहा हूं आपने क्या आंसर दिया है. एंड ओके, सो किसी ने पहला टेस्ट वाला का भी रेस्पॉन्स इसमें दे दिया. ओके, everyone is near to the answer. And everyone is near. Okay, so yes, इतना कम यार. 300 participants, so 17 response. Come on, your Google is very fast enough, you're attending WebEx, your net is fast enough. You have to answer it quick because हमारे पास सिर्फ 15 seconds और बाकी है. Okay, only 15 seconds. Come on everyone, chop, just make it fast. Okay, the answer सब बहुत जन का आंसर आ रहा है, आसपास है. वेल, मैं आंसर नहीं बताऊंगा लेकिन ओके, गुड. एंड 3, 2, 1, your response should end here. We have noted the first, second and third position. Well, मैं यहाँ नहीं बता रहा क्योंकि ये इजी था तो यहाँ पर मेंशन नहीं करूंगा मैं. ये बहुत इजी क्वेश्चन था. So yes, answer nearly 10 लोग के आसपास सही आंसर दिए हो, बाकी लोग आई एम रियली सॉरी. ओके, वी विल मूव ऑन टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. नेक्स्ट स्टेटमेंट. Cosmos glitch. The astronomy satellite mission AstroSat, launched by NASA on 28 September 2015 and yet ongoing, enables wide spectral coverage of the celestial bodies and cosmic sources extending over UV spectral bands, soft and hard X-ray regions simultaneously. किसे यहाँ पर फ्यूचर पे जाना है, एस्ट्रोनॉट बनना है, यूएसए जाना है, नासा जाना है, आई मीन फ्यूचर पे आपका एमटेक एमएस प्लान इसी क्वेश्चन पे डिपेंड करता है. ओके, आई हैव ऑलरेडी स्टार्टेड गेटिंग रेस्पॉन्स. वेल यस, कम ऑन, गूगल इट अप. यू कैन जस्ट डू इट. Oh my god, I thought I got a response, but yes, there is first response, and we have got our first response, and it is correct. That's good. Okay, we have got a first response. It's, I will mention the name because ये difficult था, I mean बहुत tricky भी था, and Miss Pratik Prakhar got the correct answer. That's good. Kudos to him. Everyone is giving the answer. Well, गलत आंसर ज्यादा आ रहा है सही आंसर से. That's good. Okay, so yes, आपके फ्यूचर एस्ट्रोनॉमी के एनी कोई भी एग्जाम तो ये क्वेश्चन बहुत ही नेसेसरी है, क्योंकि बहुत से स्टूडेंट को पता नहीं रहता कि कौन सा स्पेस एजेंसी क्या लॉन्च कर रहा है, राइट? ओके, दैट्स गुड. वी आर जस्ट 15 सेकंड मोर टू स्टॉप द रिस्पॉन्स एंड रिस्पॉन्सेस आर फ्लडिंग इन. दैट्स गुड. अभी भी गलत आंसर ज्यादा है. कम ऑन, गूगल करो यार, अपने दिमाग से ना सोचो. यू हैव फुल लिबर्टी टू गूगल इट अप. मेक इट क्विक. ओके ओके. रैंडम टेक्स्ट को तुम लोग आंसर पे दे रहे हो यार, थोड़ा सा तो क्या दिमाग का इस्तेमाल करो. ओके, सो एंड वी आर एट द एंड ऑफ द स्टेटमेंट 2. स्टॉप योर रिस्पॉन्स. ओके, आई होप यू आर एक्साइटेड इनफ. यू आर एक्साइटेड, आई मीन आपका एक्साइटमेंट बढ़ रहा होगा. लेट्स मेक इट फर्दर. Let's take it further. Okay, Adarsh Lal and Anshuman Tripathi, if it's easy, that's good. They bring the first position in the next question. It's an open challenge. Can we move on to next statement, please? Biographic glitch. Satya Nadella, the CEO of Microsoft, was born on 19th August 1967 in Hyderabad, Andhra Pradesh, India. After being graduated from IIT Bombay, he did his further studies at University of Wisconsin, Milwaukee, MS, and University of Chicago, MBA. इस क्वेश्चन पे जो मिलवाकी को अगर सही प्रोनाउंस कर दिया, ओके गुड, कुछ नहीं, बस ऐसे ही. ओके, you have, your time has already started since this question was visible on the screen. So जल्दी जल्दी गूगल करो और चेक करो कहाँ ग्लिच है. Where is the mistake in Satya Nadella's biography? किसी को जाना है माइक्रोसॉफ्ट एज अ ड्रीम कंपनी इंटर्नशिप. दिस क्वेश्चन इज वेरी मच इंपॉर्टेंट बिकॉज आप करंट सीईओ के बारे में पढ़ रहे हो. यस, डू इट. एंड वी हैव गॉट अ फ्लडिंग ऑफ रिस्पॉन्स. दैट वाज वेरी क्विक. दैट वाज वेरी क्विक. एंड वी हैव वी गॉट अ करेक्ट रिस्पॉन्स? First response was not the correct response. I'm so sorry. Well, let's see. Okay, we have got the correct answer, but again, ये मेरे लिए बहुत ही आसान क्वेश्चन था, so I don't think मैं इसका फर्स्ट पोजीशन को मेंशन करूं. I am really sorry, but yes, that's a good first response. And let's see. ओके, क्या करें, मेंशन कर दे? नहीं, इतना लेट हो गया. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पे फर्स्ट पोजीशन को मेंशन होगा, बट अगेन चैट बॉक्स में जिसने लिखा था इजी, उसका फर्स्ट पोजीशन नहीं है. आई एम रियली सॉरी फॉर यू. ओके, एंड द रिस्पांस इज गोइंग टू स्टॉप इन 3 2 1 स्टॉप. यू शुड स्टॉप इट, क्योंकि अभी तुम लिखोगे वैसे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, क्योंकि फर्स्ट सेकंड थर्ड पोजीशन हम नोट डाउन कर चुके हैं. सो यस, वी विल मूव ऑन टू नेक्स्ट. Okay, Okay, Potterhead glitch. Come on, in the beginning in the chat box, बहुत जन mention किया कि we Potterhead had goosebumps. We are on fire. दिल जल कर राख हो गया. Anyways, okay. Potterhead glitch. Harry Potter is a film series based on eponymous novel by Robert Galbraith. The series runs around a boy named Harry James Potter, along with his two friends Hermione Jean Granger and Ronald William Weasley. Link is in the description to give the answer. Well, yes, Spectrum Patronus. Okay, Lumus Maxima use करो और अपने Google पे answer search करो. And I'm waiting. This was okay. There is flooding of response. There is so much flood of response. A flood of response. And have we got the first correct response? We have got the first correct response. Well, I really want to mention the name, but okay, I will not. You will know it in the future. Okay, I'm going to give you less time in it. Okay, we have 5 seconds. 5 seconds. You have 5 seconds. Okay. Just a minute. I glitched my own brain. सबके सब गलत आंसर दिए हो इस पे. How is it possible? Everyone is wrong in this. Read the question again. You have 3 seconds. Okay, just leave it. No. Every one of you got this answer wrong. Literally every one of you got this answer wrong. Okay, I'm really sorry. The first few hundred, I think first around 100 response was really wrong answer. Okay, Robert Galbraith is not the point where it is mistake. I will move on to next question. I will tell you the answer in the at the end of this fun event. We will move on to next question. We have less time. Okay, comic glitch. Stan Lee reimagined several superheroes in the DC multiverse. The very popular movie based on Captain Marvel were released in 2019 under the Marvel franchise. This superhero possesses extraordinary superhuman strength, speed, flight, and other abilities like power of electricity. Okay, come on. Marvel and DC people, you have to just do it. यार इससे सही आंसर ला लो यार. Last question ये मत करो. Have we got the correct answer yet? No, we have not got the correct answer yet. Come on. No, responses are totally not up to the mark. No, it's all wrong. Come on. Nobody have 22 response and no correct answer yet. Okay, इस पे मैं थोड़ा time दे रहा हूँ तुम लोगों को, लेकिन नहीं. This is totally not the correct responses. No. Okay, that's nice. I mean, nope. Damn. None of you. I mean, I'm really sorry, but we are towards the end of the deadline. Okay, I was going to mention the first position, but इसका response देखकर अब मुझे भी मन नहीं है. Come on यार, अब तुम Spectrum आ रहे हो. Okay, we have got the response. Okay, nice, correct response. That's good. I'm not mentioning, but I'm really sorry. Spectrum आ रहे हो and Marvel DC का तुम्हें you have to be pro in that, because हम क्लब पे काम करने घड़ी ऐसे बहुत यूज करते हैं. And बस the responses will end now. Stop giving the response. Okay, Anshuman Tripathi, if you're giving the right answer, we will see if you have got the first position or not. Okay, so now yes, we are at the end of this wonderful interactive via Google Form glitch in the matrix session. Okay, हम यहाँ खत्म हो रहा है. Well, yes, the first, second and third position has been noted down. वो हमारे social handles पे हम उन्हें mention करेंगे. After and apart from that, the event 1 जो हुआ था, light up and find the logic, sketch the ambit जो हुआ था, event 1, उसका भी positions हम अपने social media handles पे हम mention करेंगे. Okay, so जैसे आपने दिल थाम कर 10 तारीख तक वेट किया था, वैसे दिल थाम कर अपने रिजल्ट्स तक भी वेट कर लें. Well, and yes, we are at the end of today's fun session, Googling session, reasoning session. Though I was really upset with your answers. Well, हाँ, लेकिन सही answers कुछ ने दिया. That's good. I hope you enjoyed this session. Well, yes, अभी छोटा सा तुम्हारे लिए 2-3 मिनट्स का एक छोटा सा ब्रेक. अपने हाथ धो लो जाकर, क्योंकि कोरोना गया नहीं है. थोड़ा सा हाइड्रेट कर लो अपने आप को. हाइड्रेशन जरूरी है बॉडी के लिए. And yes, in between them, there is another, again, yet more surprise. I will carry forward it to Suryanshu bhai, and let's move on.
Okay, so thanks Abrar for this great event, and I believe everyone enjoyed it a lot. So now we're moving to the next part, which will be the domains part. Like सबका कुछ ना कुछ तो इंटरेस्ट होगा ही. टेक्निकल फील्ड में आए हो, हार्डवेयर सॉफ्टवेयर डिजाइन, बहुत सारे फील्ड से, बहुत सारे डोमेन से, सबका कुछ ना कुछ तो इंटरेस्ट होगा ही डेफिनेटली. सो अभी के लिए वी जस्ट वांट टू सी विच डोमेन और विच फील्ड आर यू गाइस मोस्ट इंटरेस्टेड और मोस्ट एक्साइटेड अबाउट. So let's go to a poll, and it will be a simple procedure. So Apnil, can we go to the poll part? Okay, sir. Before we start that part, I would like to actually invite our PIC, Mr. Tapas, Professor Tapas Kumar Patra, to give a small speech to you guys about what the club is about and what Spectrum is actually about. So, can Tapas sir please come here and give a small talk about it?
Good morning, everybody. Okay, thanks for giving me a chance to say you. I am your PIC for Spectrum Club, Dr. Tapas Kumar Patra. And one thing you remember that this club is student driven, and always we give a stress that it is student managed also, and requirement as of student we do it. Usually this our department, which is created in 94, I have seen that that you are informed about why Spectrum, and the success rate and other thing perhaps that you also know that from our student what they have got it. So here basically we what we say that learning is from the 360 degree, and when we find out that study is not the only thing which is important, we say that curricular, extracurricular, and other environments to make a person perfect, we have designed we have created the club for that purpose, and we have designed different sections, and all of them are in that form. Okay, one thing you will find out that till now you must have seen what are the activities. They have shown you different videos like how it is robot, and it is not the only robot. Multiple hardware, software, and design aspect are there, and we try to put the different activity, and even also alumni of IND, who are many of them are in even in Intel and Motorola. Both many companies are there. Some of them we have seen it. There is a long list is there, and they also wanted now that they want to be involved and to help our students, the coming students, for helping them. So we started to rejuvenate our this one. Now actually many people are there. Previously less people are there, but now many people are there as a member, and obviously you will find out that you will also, your alumni will also try to help you in enhancing your knowledge. Okay, basically I want that you to be involved with you know your work, and get joined and have start this club again in an impressive way. And I wish all the best for this program. I have to go to another meeting actually. It is already started, so we can continue our discussion and other things later also, but this function continue and have a great success. I wish a great success for this function. Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. It was really great hearing from you. And now let's move on to the next event. Okay, so now let's have a small poll about which wing are you guys really excited about. So the link to the poll is given in the chat box. You just have to go to www.menti.com and type the code. Just go to menti.com and then you have to type the code 1103550. It's all in the chat, but I'm repeating it again. Go to www.menti.com, MENTI, and type the code 1103550. Okay, so I see you guys are really excited about software wing and then hardware design. We'll be keeping this poll open for around the 10 to 15 seconds, and then we'll move on to the next part. And yes, you can join 2 wings, you can join all the wings. There's no issue to that. We'll be coming to that part later, so don't worry about that. Believe me, all the fields are exciting. Software, design, hardware, every field is really exciting. Okay, so let's close the session now. Let's close the poll now. And well, as you can see, people are really excited about software, hardware, then design. Now I'd like to invite Rupesh Mishra and Anisha Das of second year to start the next part.
So hello guys, I'm Rupesh. Now before we proceed, I request all of you to call your friends and ask them to join the meet, because the best is yet to come, and trust me, you all will love it. यार इतना मेहनत किया है हम लोगों ने, तो अगर आप लोग देखेंगे ही नहीं तो क्या फायदा. Now please meet my friend.
Hello guys, this is Anisha. So guys, first we'll be starting with the hardware. So by seeing your response, I think like you guys are more of Iron Man fans like us, I presume? Wonderful. Indeed, one of the first instances that comes to our mind when we think about hardware is the Iron Man suit. The hardware team of Spectrum Club mainly focuses on VLSI, embedded systems, and PCB design. We have developed many projects with implementation and testing of circuits, components, systems, etc. So now I would like to hand over to Satyam Bhai and Aisha Didi to enlighten you guys further.
Thank you, Anisha. Hello, everyone. Hope you guys are doing well. So, I am Aisha. Along with my co-host Satyam, we are here to show you some very exciting stuffs about hardware. As you guys are here to know about hardware wing, we are going to take you all to a very interesting journey of hardware. So let's start. Yeah. Basically, hardware is a type of a tree with a lot of branches, and here are a few. So let's start with automation. Automation एक ऐसी चीज है like जिसमें human work की जरूरत नहीं होती है, वो automatically अपना works execute करता है. Next come to embedded system. It control the controller. We program the controller and make them application ready. Next is hardware security. Security has been a major concern these days. To ensure security, we hack the devices, find flaws, and patch them. Next is IoT. It's a very interesting thing, trust me. IoT connect things to internet and control them at ease. We build and deploy IoT solutions to existing problems. Then come to PCB design. Do you guys ever seen those attractive circuit board around you? Okay. These tiny PCBs are capable of performing large operations, and here we design them. Next come to the very interesting part, and that is robotics. Do you want some coffee or chai in the early morning? But it's too lazy to wake up and make, है ना? आप लोगों को चाहिए होता है ना सामने में आकर सारा चीज आपको मिल जाए, कहीं आपको प्रॉब्लम ना करना पड़े. So build a bot. Robotics has your back. Okay. So those were the domains that we usually work on. Hey Satyam, what I am thinking is let's begin the coolest ride of the fest. What do you think?
श्योर. ऐसा मुझे लगता है कि लाइक इन सबको हमारे रिसेंट प्रोजेक्ट्स दिखाने चाहिए. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद इट विदाउट एनी फर्दर अडू. सो नेक्स्ट स्लाइड. So we have the UAV or the unmanned aerial vehicle और ड्रोन जिसे कहते हैं इसी भाषा में. तो ये बहुत ही फैसिनेटिंग पीस ऑफ हार्डवेयर होता है. एंड ड्रोन्स को असेंबल करना, कैलिब्रेट करना, उनको चलाना और मतलब उड़ाना उनको बहुत ही मजा आता है. और जैसा कि आप लोग की वीडियो देख सकते हैं, ये एक ड्रोन के लैंडिंग कैलिब्रेशन का वीडियो है. तो you guys can enjoy this video. Okay, so can we move to the next slide? हाँ, the next is the maze solver. So इसमें एक रोबोट अपने सामने वाले सारे ऑब्स्टैकल्स को, बैरियर्स को सेंस कर पॉसिबल रूट्स एंड पाथ्स डिटेक्ट करता है और अपने प्रीसेट एल्गोरिथम्स के थ्रू में उस पाथ में जाता है. तो एक बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट प्रोजेक्ट है. मतलब लाइक अगर कोई रेस्क्यू का प्रोजेक्ट का काम होगा या फिर कहीं पे इनएक्सेसिबल जगह पे जाना जहाँ पे ह्यूमंस जा नहीं सकते और रोबोट्स को जाना चाहिए, तो ये उन सब जगहों पे काम आ सकता है. तो जैसा कि आप लोग देख सकते हैं, एक ऑब्स्टेकल्स को और वो सब डिटेक्ट कर रहा है, उसके बाद वो मेज को सॉल्व करते हुए जा रहा है.
And now we are here. It's a pick and place bot that was built and simulated using a Gazebo simulator. You can see here. यार सत्यम, ये विंटर्स में इतना जालिम होती है ना कि हमें तो अपने बेड से उठकर अपने ब्लैंकेट को छोड़कर कोई काम करने को भी मन नहीं करता है.
सो रिलेटेबल आयशा. और जैसा कि लाइक पहले वीडियो में मैंने देखा होगा, तो दिस इज आवर स्मार्ट होम ऑटोमेशन. तो लाइक कि क्या करता है, देख लो एक बार. तो प्ले द वीडियो प्लीज.
Hey Google, turn on Diwali lights.
Lights turned on.
Hey Google, turn off Diwali lights.
So yeah, as you can see, Google के वॉइस कमांड से हम लोग अपने सारे अप्लायंसेस को कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं. और लाइक वी वोंट गो इनटू डिटेल ऑफ आवर एवरी रिसेंट प्रोजेक्ट. तो हमने बहुत सारे दूसरे प्रोजेक्ट भी किया है रिसेंटली, लाइक ऑटोनोमस बॉट्स हो गए, सेल्फ बैलेंसिंग बॉट्स हो गए, या फिर ऑब्स्टेकल अवॉइडिंग बॉट्स हो गए, फिर गैस डिटेक्टर एंड अलर्ट सिस्टम बनाया हमने. फिर वॉइस कंट्रोल एंड वाइब्रेशन बैंड, ये डिसेबल्ड लोगों के लिए हमने बनाया था रिसेंटली. उसके बाद व्हीकल ओवरस्पीड डिटेक्शन सिस्टम, IoT बेस्ड डेटा हमारा. फिर हमने स्मार्ट डस्टबिन बनाया है, ये हमारे क्लब में है एंड इट्स लाइक तुम्हें आके देखना ही चाहिए कैसा है. इट्स वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग और बहुत ही मजेदार चीज़ है ये. वी ऑल्सो मेड RC एयरक्राफ्ट एंड स्मार्ट टायर्स और बहुत कुछ बनाया हमने. तो बस ऐसा ही नहीं है कि हम लोग खाली प्रोजेक्ट्स एंड ऑल ही बनाते हैं. वी ऑल्सो ऑर्गेनाइज सम ऑफ आवर प्रीमियर फ्लैगशिप इवेंट्स ऑफ आवर फेस्ट परसेप्शन जो होता है. तो वन ऑफ देम UAV किलर. तो इसमें क्या होता है कि ड्रोन्स का कंपटीशन होता है, इसमें टारगेट्स होते हैं, उसके बाद ये हमारे बहुत सारे टास्क होते हैं जो कंप्लीट करने पड़ते हैं ड्रोन्स को ऑपरेट करते हुए. तो यू कैन सी द वीडियो. यहाँ पे जो बलून्स है, लाइक बलून्स को बर्स्ट करने का, उन्हें क्लोजअप करने का वही पॉइंट्स रहता है, वो सब रहता है. लाइक बहुत सारे ऐसे लाइक ऑब्स्टेकल्स या फिर टास्क होते हैं जो कंप्लीट करने पड़ते हैं ड्रोन्स को ऑपरेट करते हुए, एज यू कैन सी इन द वीडियो.
Actually, Satyam, I don't know why should humans have all the fun. And that's when we decided to have a football match of the bots. Yeah, it's the RoboSoccer event. बस इतना ही नहीं, we also conduct workshops and webinars throughout the year. Here is a glimpse of the recent workshops and webinars conducted by the hardware wing of Spectrum Club. We can't wait to meet you and start exploring together with you all.
ऑनलाइन देखना पड़ रहा है हार्डवेयर का हार्डवेयर तो ऑनलाइन वीडियो में देखने से इतना मजा नहीं आता जितना रियल लाइफ में देखने से आता है तो आई रियली होप कि सब कुछ नॉर्मल हो जाए हम लोग आपसे मिल सके इंटरेक्ट कर सके और ये सब चीजें आपको रियल लाइफ में दिखाएं।
Yeah, of course. So with that, we end our presentation here and mark the beginning of a new journey together. So thank you.
Thank you guys. That was really exciting. Well, can you all imagine the existence of Iron Man without AIs like Jarvis, Veronica, and Friday? It's like Iron Man won't be Iron Man without those. And won't it be exciting to work on such cool stuff? So to explain us more about this domain, I like to invite Rupesh Bhaiya and Suryanshu Bhaiya. Please.
Hi techies, this is Rupesh. I'm the core member in Spectrum, one of the core members. And I'm the one who has been talking to you in the chat box, and I really love your responses. It was so interactive, guys. So before beginning the presentation for software, let me lay down some ground rules, okay? So अभी आपको mic on नहीं करना है. That's just one of the ground rules. And then जो भी करना है chat box में करो, कुछ भी लिखो. We are reading those comments and we'll reply to you. So Suryanshu Senpai, are you there?
Hey Rupesh, yes I am here and hey everyone, Suryanshu here, a core member of Spectrum technical team. मैं वो पोल वाला भैया हूँ 20 मिनट पहले आया था अभी तुम लोगों को पोल बताने के लिए. So I hope you guys have been enjoying the Spectrum induction so far. अब टाइम है तुम लोगों को मैजिकल वर्ल्ड ऑफ सॉफ्टवेयर में जाने का. We'll be showing you something which you will really gonna love. So Rupesh, actually just I really want to know something. What exactly is Spectrum software all about?
I really want to ask my friends over in the chat box that what exactly comes to their mind when they think about software. Like software जब सुनते हो तो क्या सोचते हो? क्या mind में आता है? Please write those in the chat box. Jarvis, yeah, like I'm a big fan of Jarvis. Coding, exactly coding, बहुत coding होता है इसमें. Okay, coding, spelling गलत है, but still coding, it's coding. Friday, okay, yeah, Friday also. I am a big fan. Cortana programming, Friday programming. Okay, those are some cool points. C++, it's really exciting. Software is seriously exciting. Spectrum, yeah, Spectrum is all about everything. It's about hardware, it's about software, it's about designing, hacking. Okay, let's move on to the next slide. I really read your comments. It was so nice. Now let me tell you what software exactly is. Now, abhi, मैं जब छोटा था, I used to see websites, I used to see apps, a lot of apps, and I was like, wow, this is so cool. Like अभी मैं game खेलता था, like you guys must have heard about the game Earn to Die. You know, that was such a cool game. You know that, guys? So वो game कैसे बनाया था उन्होंने? Like कैसे उसको कैसे बनाया? How did they make sites? How exactly Cortana या फिर Google Assistant या फिर Siri works? So basically, software is about the behind the scenes of this cool apps, websites, and different applications of those. So अभी इसको कैसे सीखेंगे? So Spectrum Software Wing, what it does is exactly, it teaches you how exactly this works. You know, अभी हम अगर Instagram का जो Instagram post कर रहे हैं photos, so how exactly that works? So let's see in the next slide what are the other things we have in store or in the arsenal of Spectrum.
Thanks Rupesh for the great introduction. Like I'm really bewildered by Spectrum software wing, but I think we have lots of more things planned for you. So speaking about the events, as it was initially said in the session, 2020 में कोविड हुआ था, पूरा सारे कॉलेज एजुकेशन इंस्टीट्यूशन सब बंद थे एंड सॉर्ट ऑफ मतलब क्या स्टैग्नेंट सिचुएशन था. Yeah, but for the world, Spectrum के लिए कभी स्टैग्नेंट नहीं होते हम लोग. So throughout the year we hosted various events. One of them was Spectrum Internship Drive, where we like trained people of CET, students of CET in various domains like web dev, app dev, machine learning, design, and such domains. And based on the performance, we gave them internship certificates. 2019 also we hosted a Python workshop, which was one of the biggest workshops of that year, as well as the next previous 5 to 10 years. More than 150 to 200 students attended the workshop, and it was a great success. That's not it. A few months back, we also hosted the Hacktoberfest event, which is one of the biggest open source celebration events in the world. and at the end of the event you get prizes in form of goodies like t-shirts, laptop stickers and such. So now let's move on to the domains of the software wing.
Suryanshu, like that was so cool. Like अभी software wing ने इतना कुछ कर दिया. Like I like feel किया यार software wing इतना काम करती है. And even the other wings also इतना सारा events even lockdown जैसे period में ऐसा चीज करना is really difficult. Now अभी lockdown में events तो कर लिया, but उसमें कुछ projects बनाए कि नहीं? Projects जो बनाए उसमें domains क्या use किया? Let's see what are the domains we have in software wing of Spectrum. So first is web development. You guys know what web development is. Web से तो पता ही चल जाता है क्या चीज है वो. You walk websites, you see how websites work. So web development is basically working for the front end, that is जो look होता है, और back end जो कि functionality होता है. Now there's software development. Software development में सब कुछ आता है, जो भी applications बनाते हो. Software development is basically a common field, you know. Initially आप software development से ही शुरू करते हो, छोटे छोटे applications बनाते हो, games बनाते हो, Python से हो, C++ से हो, बहुत सारी चीजें. We'll learn technicality afterwards. So abhi ke liye just let's avoid that topic and let's look at what are the other domains. Mobile app development. Like abhi Facebook use कर रहे हो, Instagram use कर रहे हो, अभी उसका पीछे like उसके backend में क्या चल रहा है, you know. So अब तुम चाहो तो अगर सीख गए app development, then चाहे तो तुम अपना Facebook बना सकते हैं and you can become the Mark Zuckerberg. But privacy का matter है, so handle करके देखना. Then next is data science and AI. I'm really psyched about this one, you know, because I guess abhi ke liye this is one of the sexiest jobs available, you know, and data science is seriously cool. Okay, my friends do this and this is such a cool field, and you know basically what I'm talking about, you know. Iske andar sab kuch Google Assistant banaya, Siri banaya, ye kaise kaam karta hai usme seekhoge. Cyber security is about protection of servers, it's about computers and everything, and naam se pata chalta hai security, cyber aur uska security. Then there's competitive coding. Competitive coding is seriously one of the most important aspects. अगर तुमको placements के लिए बैठना है, then competitive coding at least आपको 10% या 20% तो जानना ही पड़ेगा. You know, this is basically solving questions. This is basically solving questions using your analytical skills and everything. But उसको programming में करना है. So let's see what other things we have in our club except the domains and all. Can we move to the next slide, please?
Okay, that was really interesting, man. There are so many multiple domains, exciting and interesting to explore. And I'm sure हम लोग जो first years आए, they are really excited to explore all the domains in software. But now I think the session is kind of going monotonous. मतलब अच्छा चल रहा है, मना नहीं कर रहा हूँ, but थोड़ा normal हो गया है. I think we should hype it up a bit. So just one question: any Potterheads around? Just write yes in the chat box if you love Harry Potter.
Yes, I'm a fan too. I'm a big fan.
Yeah, exactly. Okay, so many. Wait. Okay, someone would know. Okay, that is kind of my brain is not able to process that part. How are you not able to love Harry Potter? Okay, no problem. Even if you don't love Harry Potter, अभी जो 30 सेकंड का वीडियो में तुम दिखाऊंगा ना, after that you are definitely gonna love the Harry Potter. So can you play the video? Okay, I believe you all guys must have loved that part. And a point of fact, यहाँ पर कोई VFX नहीं था, कोई मतलब जादू करना नहीं था. It was all about using Python, a programming language, and computer vision. That was made by one of the members, Tridip Barik, and I believe he will love to answer all your questions regarding this. Yeah, we'll be answering how it works soon after this event. Now, can we move on to the next project?
Wow, Suryanshu, that was so nice. Where did Tridip go? Seriously, he just disappeared. That was so cool. That's so cool. But guys, do you only like Harry Potter or do you like Marvel? Are you a Marvel fan? Because I'm a Marvel fan. Are you guys? Just write it in the yes. There's a first response. They are Marvel fans. Yes, big fan. No, you're not a Marvel fan. Then I guess you're a DC fan. Okay. I love you 3000. Yeah, that's cool. That's cool. Now let me tell you, we have one of our Avengers over here, Mr. Tony Stark, and he's the Iron Man. Let's see what exactly he is going to tell us. Please.
I'm a changed man. take away my house, all my tricks and toys. One thing you can't take away, I am Iron Man.
Whoa, that was chill. That was literal chills, wasn't it, guys? It was so cool. And this was done by one of our members, Abhishek Kumar, and I'm sure he will be willing to tell you guys how exactly this works and how he made such a cool project. So let's move on to the next slide and watch another project.
You know, guys, that day when Avengers came out, I was sitting in the theater and watching, and when that scene came, when Tony Stark died, I was literally crying. And I would love to bring Iron Man to my home, but that is for another day. Now let's move on to the next project. This is the project actually built by me, Suryanshu Das. So basically, तुम लोग तो like you guys must have great phones. You must have quad camera. You must have like AI camera in your phones, which takes really good pics, really sharp pics, really cool pics. What I wanted to do was I wanted to take these normal pics and apply a touch of art to it. So you guys must have heard about the app Prisma. Basically, Prisma एक app I think कुछ लोग सुने हो कोई Prisma के बारे में? सुने हो ना? Nice. So basically, Prisma जो लोग सुने भी नहीं हो, okay, no, तो सुन लो. It's nothing. It's no जादू नहीं. It's simply like you take a normal picture, you give it a different kind of artistic filter, and output में वो तुम लोग को उस image को एक art form में convert करके देगा. So what I did was same, except I used AI in this. I took two images. One was me drinking tea with my friends, which you will be doing a lot in the next 4 years, and another is another place in the college where I made the best memories in my college life. So now I just applied a kind of AI neural network. Basically, what I did was apply a kind of art style using AI to these pictures, and let's see what happens. Can we move on? Yeah. So 3, 2, 1. This was the result. I simply applied two art styles to this normal images, and the complete image changed to completely something new, artistic, and something really abstract. This was what I wanted to do. It is nothing different. It's simply using AI. I just wanted to generate a different kind of image. So this was my project, and if you guys have any questions, I will willing to guide you to how to do this as well as answering your queries.
Wow,
so can we move on to the next part?
Yeah, Suryanshu, that was so artistic. Like that was so cool, you know. And my guys, my friends over here in the chat box are so hyped up about your project and the previous projects too. But let's look at some of the other projects we have here, you know, in our spectrum. We actually have a lot, but we are only showing this 8 and 9 only. First one is WhatsApp. It's basically a chat API. You guys must have used WhatsApp, but it has some privacy issues. So we created one for ourselves so that we can chat over there. We have a app where you can just give the link of the YouTube video and you can download it. That's Uplado. Then we have student attention system. As from the name, you can guys can guess. It is basically a student attendance system in which you can just get the attendance and all, and you can keep records of the students. अब उसके बाद है Medico. What Medico is basically एक system, एक app है जिसके अंदर you can add the patient reports, you can add the medicines they need. आप login करके डॉक्टर के साथ contact कर सकते हैं. It's really a cool app. Then there's Hinglish. Hinglish is basically, it's an app. I know you all guys are asking what is Hinglish. I will explain it. So basically it is an ML model which converts Hindi to English and English to Hindi. It's like basically 10% we have completed Google Translate. Yeah, it's translation, but it's better than that. Okay. So you guys can do such projects too when you come to our club. So let's move to the next slide.
Okay, so I believe we were able to like initiate a passion like शायद तुम लोग के अंदर आ गया हो कि like we actually want to work on such kind of projects. हम लोग को भी ये बनाना है, हम लोग को भी ये सब करना है. And I think we'll soon be guiding you as well as interacting with you as well as learning from you soon after the inductions get over and you become a part of Spectrum. So thank you guys, and kuch bhi query hoga, so we'll be answering that later. Now let's Anisha, please continue.
Thank you, Rupesh Bhaiya and Suryanshu Bhaiya. Now that we have seen the hardware and the software wings, I have a question. Do you people think such a masterpiece like the Iron Man suit could have been created without any plan or proportions? Of course not. The design of the suit itself played a very crucial role in its making. Design is a process of envisioning and planning the creation of objects, interactive systems, etc. It doesn't focus purely on aesthetics, nor is it about adding ornaments to an item. It is about making the user's interaction with the environment more natural and complete. While not being exactly an art, nor is science, it takes elements from both. To quote Steve Jobs, design is not just what it looks like and feels like, design is how it works. So, to further your knowledge, I would like to hand over to Shitish Bhaiya.
Thank you very much, Anisha. And the design look, everyone. I am Kshitij Srivastav, and I'm the design lead for Spectrum. And I'm here to show you how we work in the wing and what you all can do and what we plan to do now. अब इतना सब कुछ हो गया है, काफी देर से हम इंडक्शन चल रहा है, तो एक्साइटमेंट इज ऑन द टॉप एंड आप सभी के कमेंट्स पढ़ के ऐसा लग रहा है कि सबको बहुत ही मजा आ रहा है. सो लेट्स मूव ऑन विद द डिजाइन विंग एंड आई होप आपको इसमें भी बहुत ज्यादा मजा आएगा. तो लेट्स मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट स्लाइड. So we formally started in June 2020 last year. लॉकडाउन के बीच हमारी शुरुआत हुई लाइक ऑल द ग्रेट स्टार्टअप्स जो कि 2008 के रिसेशन के टाइम में शुरू हुए थे. एक बहुत ही आपदा में अवसर तलाशने जैसा काम हुआ है हमारे साथ. So we started in before just 6 months. So we do not have a very great history kind of thing, but we are working every day, and we have been growing at an exponential rate, and it's just the beginning. And when you guys come and we work together, it will definitely grow even more. Now, let's see some great projects by the members. Okay, before that, what we see here is we've got people who are skilled in all the design fields, all the things that are written over here: illustrations, logo design, book covers, packaging design, and all that is written here. आप यहाँ पे जैसे लेफ्ट साइड में जो पोस्टर्स देख रहे हैं, that is aeroplanes and planets, those are something called as illustrations, and which are used to make things look visually good and appealing, and that's what is a designer's job. What you see on the top right corner is a paperclip logo, and a paperclip is a very smart move, and it is merged inside as the letter L, and that is what we have to learn, and we have to make good designs, and that we do in the club. And when you come and work with us, we've got people who are skilled in all the fields that are written here, जिनमें से कई सारी चीजों के शायद आपको मतलब भी नहीं पता होंगे, बट जब आप आएंगे तो हम साथ में जरूर सीखेंगे. So let's move on to the next slide. Okay, now it's time for some awesome projects by our members. Next. In October 2020, last year, लॉकडाउन के बीच में स्पेक्ट्रम hosted the Hacktober Fest for Bhubaneswar, and we the design wing promoted it on social media handles. We did social media posters, we did all kinds of brochures and speakers, and the bottom two things that you see are the two badges which the people got who won the competitions. We also conducted a competition known as the HacktoQuest, which was an online treasure hunt, जो कि अभी भी available है और आप चाहें तो उसको solve कर सकते हैं. So the people who won it, those were given the badges on LinkedIn, and ये सारी चीजें डिजाइन विंग ने बनाई थी. Next, please. This here is a beautiful comic strip for the Hacktober Fest, which was made by आपके अपने host Mr. Satvik Palai. So it would be better if he tells it himself.
So guys, ऐसा कुछ मतलब खास नहीं है, जो भी मैंने सीखा है लाइक इधर ही आके सीखा है, कैसे सीखा है और लाइक ट्रेनर से सीखा है. Like basically what I do is I arrange text and photos together till they look good and make worthwhile for earning. So ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, आप लोग आइए, हम लोग सीखेंगे साथ में, तभी लाइक डिजाइन का मीनिंग एक्चुअली हो पाएगा.
थैंक यू सात्विक. वैसे आर्टिस्ट होते हैं और कुछ एक फनी लोग होते हैं, और फनी आर्टिस्ट कॉमिक्स बनाते हैं. सो सात्विक इज काइंड ऑफ अ फनी आर्टिस्ट. तो अगर आप लोग जब हमारे साथ में काम करेंगे तो सात्विक आपको उस कॉमिक्स में जरूर गाइड करेगा. Next, what we have here on the screen is a project done by our member Shaheen Jasmine, which was we did it for an event called Santa. We did it in the month of December, and we made things that Santa would like to watch, but I don't think it happens in real life. This is actually an e-commerce website which which Santa would use to deliver gifts to you. So I think UI UX के बारे में Shaheen Jasmine is is a very experienced person, and she's a member of our club. And when you come and work with us, she is the one who you should go to for UI UX. Now, these are some very cool and realistic 3D models made by one of our member Ashutosh Mohapatra. So it would be better if he tells it himself.
Thank you, Bhaiya, for this lovely introduction. Hello, everyone. Hope you all are doing okay in this pandemic situation. I am Ashutosh Mahapatra, currently in second year IND of BTech. Well, due to lockdown, our college was closed. We all know that. And then I found a new hobby to pass the time. That was 3D modeling and animation. You know, guys, I was always very fond of animations, especially cartoons and sci-fi movies like Transformers, and you may as well be. But I never thought that one day I could be able to do that on my own. But it all changed when I came to know about Blender. You know, Blender, it's a free and open source 3D software. So I have been practicing it for 6 months. I can't say that I am very good at it, but yes, I have learned a lot. आप लोग तो रोज YouTube देखते होंगे, तो वहीं से ही मेरे को बहुत सारा हेल्प मिला है. And there are also other platforms like Facebook and Reddit where people give you comments, and those comments especially matter a lot when you're learning. I can say that my journey into the 3D world for now is fascinating because there are a lot of things that are needed to be explored, and they are way more beyond fascinating than you can think of. But yes, I'm sure it's very interesting. You people can also do Blender if you want, you know, since it's free. And if you join our Spectrum Club, then I can give you my guidance in your journey into the 3D world. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Ashutosh. And that was it. The design of the 3D models that Ashutosh did, and it is literally very hard to believe that he's in the design wing for, like, he's doing the 3D design for just 6 months. And in 6 months आप अगर इतना कुछ सीख सकते हैं, so आप साथ में आएंगे तो फिर और भी जरूर सीखेंगे. Next, what we have on the screen here is the minimal and cool flat designs by शुभम पुष्पेंदु. आप सभी को याद होगा जैसे पुराने जमाने में इंस्टाग्राम का जब आप ऐप का आइकन देखा करते थे तो इट वाज वेरी डिटेल्ड एंड इट वाज लाइक रियलिस्टिक, बट वो आज के जमाने में वो बहुत ही एकदम फ्लैट और मिनिमल हो गया है. तो ऐसे जितने भी लोगोज हैं, जितने भी चीजें हैं, आजकल के जमाने में मिनिमल का ट्रेंड है, एंड व्हाट वी कॉल इट एज लेस इज मोर. सो शुभम पुष्पेंदु इज रियली एक्सपीरियंस इन दैट थिंग, एंड बहुत सारे उन्होंने अच्छे अच्छे डिजाइन्स किए हुए हैं. सो व्हेन इफ यू वांट टू ग्रो इन दिस फ्लैट डिजाइन फील्ड, शुभम पुष्पेंदु इज द पर्सन हु यू शुड बी विद. नेक्स्ट स्लाइड प्लीज. Okay, I'm not that much into anime, but I think chat से मुझे पता चल रहा है कि बहुत सारे लोग anime fans हैं. So I don't know what the character on the right side is, but if you know, can you please comment? Okay, you will get those as the wallpaper. So these are some illustrations, awesome illustrations by member Rohan Tudu, and he does this time to time. He keeps doing these, and these are extremely great designs. And if you want to learn these, Rohan Tudu is the person you should contact. Next slide, please. What you see here is the CT Bhubaneswar placement brochure for 2020-21. These are some just the example pages, and it was a very big project too. It was done by one of our member Prajojita Nayak, and this is just the tip of the iceberg to let you know, guys, that the opportunities, the exposure, and the other thing, the recognition that you get is unlimited. When you come and work with us, we can work together, and then we can learn all the things that we want to, and such opportunities keep coming to us, and you can also become that. Next slide, please. Okay, at last, this some cute animations that I did myself, and ये सारे मैंने YouTube से ही सीखे, और आप सब भी सीख सकते हैं अगर आप सभी को इंटरेस्ट है. And this is completely done in After Effects, and these are really cute actually. So I like them very much, and I'd like to and love to teach you all and show you how to make these and how to do all these things. So I'm eagerly waiting for you guys. And in the end, I want to mention आपके अपने होस्ट मिस्टर अबरार अहमद खान और मिस्टर स्वराज सामल. ये दोनों हमारे बहुत ही एक अनमोल रतन है, जो आपने अभी कुछ देर पहले एक बहुत ही खूबसूरत सा वीडियो देखा था, वो अबरार अहमद खान ने बनाया था और स्वराज सामल उन्होंने भी मिलकर बनाया था. So these two people are like the अनमोल रतन्स of our club, and also the design wing members. So we hope to meet all the future artists and design enthusiasts in the club soon. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Shitish Bhaiya. Okay, I believe that by now all of you are a bit acquainted with all the three wings of our club. So, this journey of 4 years with us seems exciting to you people, right? Interesting लग रहा है ना तीन wings सुन के? I hope you guys can choose, or you can choose any of them or all of them, if you please. Now, I would like to yield the floor to Abrar.
Okay, hello, I'm back. Thank you, Sidit Bhaiya, for this Anmol Ratan tag. well, मैं आया हूँ तो of course आपको लगा रहेगा अरे यार ये भैया आए तो of course कुछ ना कुछ तो फनी होकर फनी ही लेकर आए होंगे. Well, before that, मैं पहले फनी इवेंट्स का आंसर बताना भूल गया था. So we will go to that first. We will look into that first. Okay, first is currency glitch. Unfortunately, किसी ने भी सही आंसर नहीं दिया. बस one among you was able to identify the mistake, but आंसर भी सही नहीं मिला. So here the coin refers to as Bitcoin. Bitcoin आंसर नहीं है, आपको the coin रेफरेंस दिया गया Bitcoin के लिए. एंड बिटकॉइन 2004 पे लीगलाइज नहीं हुआ था, वो 2009 पे हुआ था. आपका आंसर जनवरी 2009 बिटकॉइन का डिजिटल हुआ 2009 में, 2004 में. दी कॉइन वाज जस्ट योर रेफरेंस. ठीक है, तो ये हुआ. बस एक ही है जिनका नाम है अंशुमान मिश्रा, बस वो एक ही है जिसने वो आंसर सही दिया. वेल, वी विल मूव ऑन टू नेक्स्ट. जल्दी खत्म करते हैं ये वाला. ओके, सो ये आंसर पहला रिस्पॉन्स आया, पहला रिस्पॉन्स सही हो गया. नासा नहीं, वो एस्ट्रोसैट है. एस्ट्रोसैट नासा नहीं, इसरो ने लॉन्च किया है. ओके, एंड उसका आंसर सही. फर्स्ट पोजीशन गोज टू प्रतीक प्रखार. ओके, द नेक्स्ट आंसर इज वी विल गो टू नेक्स्ट आंसर. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज बायोग्राफी ग्लिच. ओके, इस पे शुरुआत पे सब आईआईटी बॉम्बे बोलते गए, लेकिन किसी ने सही आंसर नहीं दिया. सही आंसर इज MIT, मणिपाल इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी. यहां से उनका ग्रेजुएशन हुआ था एंड उसका पहला पोजीशन जाता है, पहला रिस्पांस सही रिस्पांस आता है साई श्रेष्ठ दास. कांग्रेचुलेशन. ओके, देन वी गो टू नेक्स्ट वन. नेक्स्ट वन इज पॉटर हेड. सबने रुपेश भैया को बोला कि सबको पसंद आया, वो सब पॉटर हेड फैन हो, लेकिन किसी ने भी पहले अराउंड 100 रिस्पॉन्स किसी ने भी सही नहीं बोला. ओके, आंसर रॉबर्ट बिली विजली. वो गलत है. रॉबर्ट बिली विजली, एक्चुअली उसका नेम रोनाल्ड बिली विजली गलत है. एक्चुअल नेम रोनाल्ड बिलियस विजली. और क्वेश्चन में एक डाइवर्शन था. जेके रॉलिंग्स, उनका पेन नेम रॉबर्ट गलब्रेथ है. ओके, वो आप हमने दिया, आप रॉन्ग करोगे, आपने बखूबी से रॉन्ग कर दिया. सो यस, जेके रॉलिंग का पेन नेम है रॉबर्ट गलब्रेथ और इस क्वेश्चन पे गलत था रोनाल्ड बिली विजली. उसका एक्चुअल नेम था बुक में रोनाल्ड बिलियस विजली. एंड उसका सही आंसर द ट्रू पॉटर हेड अमॉन्ग अस इज आकांक्षा पंडा. ओके, गुड. एंड वी विल गो टू आई थिंक फाइनल क्वेश्चन, राइट? I think all done, right? No. We are here at the final question. Marvel. Okay? Marvel and DC1. I think we are, okay. The answer is Marvel franchise. वो गलत है, ठीक है. DC franchise सही है. तुम लोग चैट पे लिख दिए हो कि नहीं ये मार्वल ही है. नहीं, तुम स्टैनली नहीं हो, ठीक है. तुम उसका मूवी देख कर खुद को एंटरटेन करते हो. ओके, सो DC franchise का क्वेश्चन रेफरेंस है कैप्टन मार्वल शज़ाम ऑफ DC. ठीक है, DC का कैप्टन मार्वल शज़ाम ऑफ DC. तुम्हें पता है 2019 रिलीज हुआ था, बहुत कंट्रोवर्सी हुआ था, ठीक है. तो वो DC का है कैप्टन मार्वल ऑफ मार्वल एज अ कॉमिक पावर, बट DC कैप्टन मार्वल एज पावर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. स्टैनली बोले सब भग दिए मार्वल को, नहीं ऐसा नहीं होता. ओके, दैट वाज अ गुड वन. सब अच्छा. सो आई थिंक इसका सही जाएगा आंसर. फर्स्ट पोजीशन इज अमृत. यार तुम फुल नेम भी लिख दे रहे थे अपना तो बेहतर होता, ठीक है. सो ओके, ये तो हो गया खत्म सुबह का. वी आर फाइनली एंड सबके फर्स्ट सेकंड थर्ड पोजीशन नोटेड हो चुके हैं. आप इंस्टाग्राम नहीं, सारे सोशल मीडिया हैंडल्स पे हम उसे अपडेट कर देंगे. एंड कांग्रेचुलेशन टू फर्स्ट पोजीशंस. सो इतना सारा आप देख लिया हार्डवेयर सॉफ्टवेयर एंड डिजाइन, ओके। बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस आपने मुझे पूछे थे पहले वाले सेशन पे कि हमें ये पसंद है, किसी ने शायद किसी ने पूछा था कि UI UX क्या होता है, सो मैंने बोला कि ओके दिल थाम कर बैठो। आपने पूछा हार्डवेयर पे ये क्या होता है, मैंने बोला दिल थाम कर बैठो। आपने बोला सॉफ्टवेयर में क्या होता है, मैंने बोला दिल थाम कर बैठो। वेल, आपको सारा आंसर्स मिल चुका है, राइट। अगर भी नहीं मिला, वेल जो अभी क्वेश्चन होंगे वो कॉन्सेप्ट पे होंगे और कॉन्सेप्ट हम आपको समझेंगे क्लब आने पर। बट दिन से लेकर रात तक 24/7 जब क्लब खुला रहता है तो क्या 24/7 हम रिसर्च तो नहीं बट बस काम ही करते रहते हैं? बिल्कुल नहीं। इंजीनियरिंग लाइफ हम ज्वाइन करे हैं, सो सपोज टू बी मस्ती, ओके, इट वाज सपोज टू बी मस्ती ऑलवेज, राइट। मस्ती नहीं करोगे तो कॉलेज के पढ़ाई तुम्हें खा जाएगा ब्रेन को, ठीक है। और किसी ने लिखा था कितना स्टार लाने पर प्लेसमेंट मिलता है, होल्ड ऑन ब्रो, ओके। तो वो टाइम भी आएगा, दैट्स गुड। बट यस, हम लोग मस्ती भी भर्ती करते हैं एंड द नेक्स्ट वीडियो है डेडिकेटेड टू ऑल दी आवर मस्ती खोर सीनियर्स। सो लेट्स मूव ऑन।
कहाँ खोजले मासे?
Oh, hello.
One eternity later.
I dare you.
One enemy.
गाड़ी वाला आया घर से कचरा निकाल, गाड़ी
ओके, सो यस, ओके, कैसा लगा? मजा आ गया? अब सच है ना, हम सिर्फ काम ही नहीं करते, हम पढ़ाई के साथ शराई भी करते हैं, ओके। एंड यस, वो जो आई जस्ट कांट स्टॉप लाफिंग, ओके, आई कांट जस्ट मजा आ गया देखने पर। वेल यस, वेल अब क्वेश्चन ये रहा कि ओके, हमने पढ़ाई किया, हमने शराई किया, हमने मस्ती भी की, हमने प्रोजेक्ट्स भी बनाए, लेकिन आप लोग कैसे करोगे ये सब? So yes, move on to Rupesh. He will address you how to join the club.
So hello guys, I'm Rupesh and I'm back. Now let's come to the main point. What's unique in our club? First, we work on almost every domain, and if you come up with anything new, we can help you go through it for sure. Second, we have a very stable net connection with our own routers. So you can access anything within a blink of an eye. And when I say anything, I mean it. Also, we trust you also. Please don't misuse the net going through uncensored sites. You know what I mean, right? Third, and the most important one, the seniors are really helpful. Like when I joined, I was actually a noob and knew nothing. Thanks to seniors who were there to help me out, and they are really friendly. Like you won't even hesitate to ask the silliest questions to them. Last but not the least, you will always stay in tune with the new uprising techs of the world because of our club. Trust me, that's true. So guys, finally the trail ride is over and I hope you enjoyed the roller coaster. Now the most rated question in the chat box is that भैया क्लब ज्वाइन कैसे करें? मतलब आप बस क्लब में डाल दो, हम लोग आग लगा देंगे. So to answer that question, and I guess most of you will definitely want to join us and become a part of the journey. And the process to do that is very simple. Just listen. All you have to do is appear a test on Google Forms. The test will consist of some simple questions on reasoning and logical thinking. Then in the second round, you will be trained on a specific domain. And on base of that, you will be given projects and assignments to submit. People completing all these tasks will be the reputed members of Spectrum. But Anisha, don't you think it's not right to burden the newbies with all these stuff who have not even seen the college properly?
Believe me, Rupesh, the test will be very easy. Like anyone can score in it without any effort. The projects assigned will also be very basic. That is, it will be fully based on the training only. And I believe this batch is smart enough to answer a few reasoning questions, aren't they? Of course they are.
Okay, that's fine. But Anisha, what if I'm not in a mood to give the exam? I mean, it's not like I don't want to, but you know what? This season is making me a lot sick and I'm always short of my net cause of Netflix. Sorry, net issues. So I may not,
Rupesh Mishra, don't you dare give them a thought of bunking the test. These tests will definitely help them in future during placements and in many other competitive exams. And yes, if someone is not able to give the test because of some genuine reason, and I repeat, some genuine reason, then it's no big deal. All you have to do is stay connected with us and you'll be able to join the club in no time.
Okay. So guys, please appear the test. Otherwise, they're gonna blame me and that will be really bad for me. So please help me out and let us know how many of you want to join the club. And I know some of you might be thinking of how to stay in contact with the club members. We'll talk about it right now. Over to Swaraj. Thank you.
Thank you, Rupesh. So hello guys, this is Swaraj here. I hope you have been enjoying the session so far. So Rupesh भैया ने जो बोला प्लीज वैसे सोचना भी मत. The test is gonna be very logical. जेई नहीं है ये, बहुत ही आराम से दे दोगे आप, डरने की जरूरत नहीं है. So I am here to take you through our social media handles. तो जैसे कि आप स्क्रीन पे देख सकते हैं, we are present all over the cyberspace. मैं देख रहा था आप लोग चैट बॉक्स में बहुत बार पूछ रहे हो कि हाउ डू वी जॉइन द क्लब के बारे में कैसे जाने और नोटिस आएगा, कैसे कनेक्टेड रहें. सो हेड ओवर टू आवर फेसबुक एंड इंस्टा प्रोफाइल्स एंड फॉलो अस टू गेट द लेटेस्ट अपडेट्स अबाउट आवर प्रोडिजियस क्लब. और अगर आपके दिमाग में कुछ क्वेश्चंस आ रहे हैं, कोई डाउट्स आ रहे हैं, कुछ भी हो, दिमाग में कुछ भी आ रहा है, सो हेड ओवर टू आवर डिस्कॉर्ड सर्वर. यप, आपने बिल्कुल सही सुना, हमारा एक डिस्कॉर्ड सर्वर है. हमारा क्लब आखिर बहुत यूनिक क्लब है. सो वी हैव गॉट अ डिस्कॉर्ड सर्वर. सो हेड ओवर देयर एंड आस्क योर ब्रेन्स आउट. Also, I would recommend you guys open up your LinkedIn profiles. This is not a paid promotion though. LinkedIn आपको फ्यूचर में बहुत काम आएगा. आपका मतलब आपका प्लेसमेंट, आपका इंटर्नशिप वगैरह सब कुछ LinkedIn में ही होने वाला है. तो अभी से ही खोल दीजिए, रेज्यूमे वगैरह प्रिपेयर कीजिए. आपका तो अभी रेज्यूमे स्टार्ट ही होगा, आपका एक्सपीरियंस स्टार्ट हो रहा है अभी. सो अभी से रिसर्च कीजिए, अभी से सब शुरू कर दीजिए. LinkedIn प्रोफाइल्स खोल दीजिए. टेक माई वर्ड फॉर इट, फ्यूचर में बहुत काम आने वाला है LinkedIn में भी हमें फॉलो कीजिए, वहां पे भी आपको फर्दर नोटिस आएगा. सो सेशन तो अभी खत्म होने पे आ रहा है गाइस. आपके दिमाग में कोई डाउट्स वगैरह है आज के सेशन के रिलेटेड? अगर है तो चैट बॉक्स में लिख चलिए, जितना डाउट्स है सब लिख दीजिए, कोशिश करूंगा सॉल्व करने के लिए। चैट बॉक्स में भी आपको सारा लिंक्स दे दिया गया है, हाइपर लिंक्स हैं, जस्ट गो देयर एंड फॉलो अस, डू फॉलो अस। नमस्कार नमस्कार, क्वेश्चंस कोई डाउट्स किसी भी, एनीथिंग? Yes, integrated MSc students, any branch, any student can join this club. You don't have to have any prerequisite knowledge. Whatever you learn here. You learn with us, we learn together. अरे भाई, सॉफ्टवेयर एंड रोबोटिक्स, सॉफ्टवेयर एंड हार्डवेयर भाई एक ही चीज है भाई। सॉफ्टवेयर एंड हार्डवेयर, सॉफ्टवेयर एंड रोबोटिक्स, क्लब जो भी हो भाई, विंग सेम ही है, सीखोगे आप सेम ही चीज। एंड आप क्या मतलब, सॉफ्टवेयर एंड हार्डवेयर रन हैंड इन हैंड, दोनों को एक साथ ही चलना पड़ता है। सो देयर इज नो डिफरेंस बिटवीन देम, दोनों में आप एक ही चीज सीखोगे जहां भी इंटरेस्टेड हो। गूगल फॉर्म कहाँ मिलेगा? गूगल फॉर्म आपको सोशल मीडिया हैंडल्स में मिलेगा, वहां पे शेयर होगा गूगल फॉर्म्स। एक क्वेश्चन आया है श्रीजीत शुभम नायक ने, नहीं भाई वैसा कुछ नहीं होने वाला है, वी आर वेरी चिल्ड आउट गाइस, ऐसा कुछ एग्जिस्ट करता ही नहीं है, ऐसा एक नोशन भी नहीं है हमारे यहाँ, तो चिल करो। यस, बोला ना, सारे ब्रांच, कोई भी ब्रांच के हो, कोई भी कहीं से भी हो, कोई भी ब्रांच, ईयर, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है गाइस, यू कैन ज्वाइन द क्लब। अरे भाई, एक ही क्लब में क्या 800 स्टूडेंट्स हैं एक कॉलेज में, एक ही क्लब में क्या 800 स्टूडेंट्स भर जाओगे क्या? इसीलिए दे आर डिफरेंट क्लब्स, वी डू डिफरेंट स्टफ्स, हमारा दूसरा यूनियंस है, ऐसे ही सोच लो यार। हाँ, कम टू डिस्कॉर्ड में आओ भाई, वहीं पे मजा आएगा। और क्वेश्चंस मोर क्वेश्चंस, कहाँ है क्वेश्चंस नहीं आ रहे। विच इज द बेस्ट क्लब यार? तुम तो खुद मतलब पहले इस्तेमाल करो फिर विश्वास करो टाइप चीज बोल रहे हो। खुद एक्सपीरियंस करो, सब कुछ एक्सपीरियंस करो, क्या ही फर्क पड़ता है। व्हाट आर द अदर मेथड्स ऑफ जॉइनिंग क्लब? देखो भाई, एग्जाम्स तो देना ही पड़ेगा, कोई ना कोई एक प्रोसेस से आपको जाना पड़ेगा। एक इंडक्शन प्रोसेस होगा आप लोगों के लिए, वहां आप जाइए, आप बहुत ही इजी टेस्ट होगा, जैसे कि रुपेश भैया ने बोला, इट्स वेरी लॉजिकल क्वेश्चन होगा, कुछ सोचना नहीं है, बस आराम से जाइए, बैठिए, एग्जाम दीजिए, इट्स गोना बी वेरी इजी। व्हाट डिफरेंट स्टफ भैया? अरे देखो, हमारे क्लब में सपोज 40 बंदे हैं, दूसरे क्लब में भी 40 जैसे बंदे हैं, तो हमारे दिमाग में जो आइडियाज आएगा, उनके दिमाग में कुछ और आइडियाज आएंगे। वी वर्क ऑन आवर आइडियाज, जो भी आपके दिमाग में जो आइडियाज आएगा, वी विल वर्क ऑन दैट, वी विल वर्क इट टुगेदर, सारा काम चीज मिलके करेंगे। सो हमारा काम अलग होगा, उनका काम अलग होगा, वी आर ऑल यूनिक इन आवर ओन वेज गाइस। If someone doesn't pass in the test, how will we join the club? Nice question. पहले ये बात बताओ, तुम सोच ही क्यों रहे हो कि तुम पास नहीं करोगे यार? बहुत ही इजी टेस्ट होगा, मतलब बिलीव में, मैं भी जब मैं भी फर्स्ट ईयर में था, मैं भी बहुत डर रहा था कि क्या करूं, कैसे टेस्ट दूं, बट वैसा कुछ भी नहीं होने वाला है, बहुत ही ज्यादा इजी क्वेश्चंस होगा। 24 आवर कोई ना कोई होता है क्लब में, ऑलमोस्ट यस, 24 आवर्स, मतलब कॉलेज वर्किंग आवर्स में तो कोई ना कोई होता ही होता है। बट अगर आपको काम करना है, सपोज आपका प्रोजेक्ट में काम कर रहे हो, सो आप भी अकेले, मतलब परमिशंस लेके यू कैन स्टे इन द क्लब एंड वर्क आउट, आप अपने दोस्त लोग के साथ आराम से रह के आप काम कर सकते हो। गूगल फॉर्म सोशल मीडिया हैंडल्स में शेयर होगा गाइस, चिल करो। गूगल फॉर्म बहुत ज्यादा आ रहा है, मैं देख रहा हूँ। हाउ मेनी स्टूडेंट्स विल बी जॉइनिंग? वैसा कोई प्रीरिक्विजिट सेट नहीं हुआ है, जितने स्टूडेंट्स विल बी वर्थ इट, हम सबको ले लेंगे, देखा जाएगा गाइस, वो तो देखा ही जाएगा। गाइस, गूगल फॉर्म रिलेटेड सारा इंफॉर्मेशन आपको सोशल मीडिया हैंडल्स में आज या कल के अंदर ही मिल जाएगा, मोस्ट प्रोबेबली आज ही मिल जाएगा। सो वहां पे आपको प्रोसीजर, कैसे क्या करना है, कब करना है, कब तक करना है, क्या क्या करना है, सब वहीं पे होगा। क्लब ज्वाइन करके क्लास हमको तो देखो गाइस, ये एक बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट सही क्वेश्चन पूछा है। सो क्लासेस एंड क्लब्स आपको अपने हिसाब से हैंडल करना है, क्लासेस भी होगा, क्लब भी होगा। आपको क्लब एक प्रोजेक्ट की तरह करना है, तो आप अपना खुद का टाइम डेडिकेट कीजिएगा। क्लासेस को भी टाइम देना है, क्लब्स को स्पेसिफिकली टाइम देना है, तो सबके लिए तुमको भाई टाइम स्लॉट्स निकालना पड़ेगा। इफ ऑल स्टूडेंट्स विल पास द एग्जाम, अरे नाइस, आ जाओ आ जाओ। Once again, we will be sharing the social media handles link in the chat box. जिन्होंने मिस कर दिया है, so I'm sharing it again. Don't forget to follow us, guys. अटेंडेंस नहीं होता है भाई, क्या अटेंडेंस? क्या क्लास टीचर्स हैं हम लोग, क्या भाई अटेंडेंस लेंगे तुम लोग के? अच्छा, कॉलेज का अटेंडेंस, माय बैड। अच्छा भाई, अटेंडेंस तो कॉलेज ज्वाइन करो फिर पता चलेगा सब कुछ। क्या अभी बोल दूं? काम कब शुरू करेंगे भाई? तुम तो पूरे एक्साइटेड हो यार, जोश में हो। ठीक है, करेंगे, शुरू करेंगे, जल्दी करेंगे भाई। पहले सीखो, सीखना पड़ेगा। सीखेंगे फिर करेंगे, फिर आपके जो भी आइडियाज आएंगे मिलके करेंगे। ओके गाइस, सो टाइम तो हो गया है सेशन को एंड करने के लिए। आज के लिए बस इतना ही। एंड अगर और भी डाउट्स है आपके दिमाग में तो आप डिस्कॉर्ड सर्वर में हमें आके टैग करके लिख सकते हो, नहीं तो सोशल मीडिया हैंडल्स में जाइए, टैग कीजिए, जवाब पूछिए, जो पूछना है पूछिए, दिमाग खोल के पूछिए। एंड प्रीवियस वीडियो अगेन, भाई प्रीवियस वीडियो अगेन का बहुत डिमांड आ रहा है, तो देखा जाएगा गाइस, वी विल सी अबाउट दैट। बट फॉर दैट ओके, सो फॉर द नेक्स्ट पार्ट देखेंगे गाइस। सोशल मीडिया हैंडल्स को फॉलो करो। मेरा तो भाई उतना ही काम था, मेरा हो गया अभी। सो फन वीडियो आप जो पूछ रहे हो, प्रीवियस वीडियो लिंक, वो उसका ड्राइव लिंक मैं भेज दूंगा चैट बॉक्स में, ठीक है? आप ड्राइव लिंक को क्लिक करके जितनी बार देखना है देख लो। और प्रेजेंटेशन में तो लैग हो रहा है, ऑफ कोर्स आप ऑब्जर्व कर ही रहे होगे, सो आराम से देखो। एग्जाम का ब्लूप्रिंट, अरे भाई ये जेई नहीं है रे भाई, जेई थोड़ी दे रहे हो, लास्ट ईयर क्वेश्चन भी मांगोगे अभी? नहीं भाई, बहुत ही इजी होगा यार। ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है गाइज, दैट्स इट फॉर टुडे। हैंडिंग ओवर टू प्रियंका नाउ। थैंक यू।
Hello guys, so I'm back again. So we know that we are nearing the end of the session, but before that, I would like to invite our software lead, Subhamprit Bhaiya, to tell you guys about the joining procedure in details. Like you all are having doubt in that, na, right? So I will be inviting Subhamprit Bhaiya to explain you in details how you will be joining our club. Over to Subhamprit Bhaiya.
Yeah, so hello guys. Okay, so most of you have the doubts that will we be selecting all of you or not. So as we mentioned earlier, we'll be sharing a Google Form link. There will be a few questions in that. You would be appearing those questions. Those questions would be very easy. Okay, they would be like a reasoning and quants question. And after you pass that test, we'll be like inducting all of you into our club. According to your interest, we'll be passing you projects on various domains. Like if one wants to be in 2 domains, we'll pass in 2 projects. And for every domain, there would be a senior assigned to you. He or she will guide you completely throughout the project. Then at the end, you will submit those projects to us, and it would be quite a learning experience for you all. And from on the basis of your projects that you have made, looking at your motivation, dedication and interest, we'll be making you a part of our Spectrum family. Okay, hope I am clear. So we are new to coding. Yeah, obviously everyone's new to coding, and we seniors will completely guide you. Guide in the sense like you have to put in efforts from your side too. We'll just show you the pathway, what to follow, how to follow, from where to read, where to study. We'll also solve problems whenever you are unable to do so. Okay, any more questions regarding the joining of club? What's the average length of codes you write? Okay, so and like on in various domains there are various lengths of code. There's no like average length. How can I like explain you that? The best thing that you would find in Spectrum is that you would have the best guides, because our club consists of some of the best people around the college, and everyone is like is very okay, Ruko, that depends upon application. Okay, so everyone has their own strengths and they will guide you as much as possible, but we expect the same level of motivation from your side. We'll be sharing all the details by today evening to you all, and we would be glad to have you all in our club. Hope we can end it here. Like, what's the best language
you,
to
Subha.
learn? Okay, we'll let you know about everything. Okay, we'll end it here. Like, other club is waiting for the next session.
Thank you, Subhampreet Bhaiya, for filling in details about the joining procedure. So, as the other club is waiting, so we will have to end the session soon. Just two questions, guys. Did you all enjoy the session? Okay, I want replies. क्या आप लोगों ने सेशन एंजॉय किया या नहीं? Okay, yes, okay, yes, okay. Which part you like the most? Okay, which part? I mean, कुछ भी बोलो. मैंने फन इवेंट अच्छा लगा या everything software and projects? Okay, that was also cool. Okay, to be honest, I liked each and every part of the presentation, and I hope you all will be joining the club, right? Okay, I hope you all who will be joining the club. Okay, so I such overwhelming responses, and it's already lunchtime and we need to end the session soon. But remember, it's just the beginning. Before ending the session, I would like to extend my vote of thanks to my batchmates and especially to our seniors. Like they have put in a lot of efforts for making this event successful, and also to you people for being such a lovely audience. Thank you. We are running short on time, so we need to end this here with a hope that you will be all joining the club. We sign off here. Thank you. Have a good day. Thank you, guys.